All right. So how long did that take? Like 45 minutes? Really less than that because 5 of those minutes was the starting screen. They did free Hunter, and you know what? Fuck it, go for it. I don't care. I don't give a shit. If we're gonna live in a land of lawlessness, fucking free him. I don't expect him to be any danger to anyone else at this point. I like it sucks that there's a double standard, but you know what? Like if our enemies are the Republicans, then yeah, fuck it. I don't give a shit. Like I still say one of Joe's most humanizing moments is when Fox tried to shit on him based on that. But yeah, I think they should have taken his plea deal absolutely, and the fucking Heritage Foundation had a hand in tanking it apparently. All right, hold on. We gotta change the thing. But yeah, you know what? I don't give a shit. Like all the Republicans that are just fucking clutching their pearls, saying like, no, you can't do that. And it's like, dude, the guy the guy who's coming into office is gonna pardon literal terrorists. Like, what are you talking about? You seriously expect me to give a shit over that? Like over a drug addict? Like, yeah, like we should treat addicts better in this country. Ugh. Battle Network 2. Obviously that doesn't make like Hunter a good guy or a guy that did good things, but it's like in the context of Republicans, I don't give a shit. Hunter, yeah, he's harmless. He's harmless at this point. Like, look, if Republicans were held accountable, I'd be like, you know what, this was an overreach. This is not right. But they're not. They're not being held accountable at all. So why should I give a shit? If we're gonna, we got to get down and dirty to fight against an existential threat to the country's future. Fuck it, let's do it. Like Joe and Hunter are gonna Joe's gonna retire, and Hunter is not even gonna be in the news a week from now. Like, because some other bullshit is gonna happen. Like, I mean, really, we should be talking about fucking Kash Patel in charge of the FBI. That is an existential threat to the country. Where the fuck is my? Okay, there it is. There's the folder. Okay, hold on. We gotta get this up and running. GBA, not SNES. SNES is for Wednesday. Wait. Yeah, this is right. Yeah, exactly. Fuck the rising above. Like, why give like, dude, the everyone is so fucking concerned about the price of eggs that they're willing to get rid of women's health in this country. Why is that so big? Wait, no, that is the right size. Okay. Oh yeah, no, RFK. Here's like my tier list of. Okay, hold on. No, I'm not gonna do a tier list of. You know what? I'm curious. Trump cabinet picks tier list. Let's see. Wait, where? Why is this not showing up on? Oh, I don't have Firefox on. That's why. Okay, hold on. Let me do that real quick. Wait, where is Firefox? Okay, there we go. So let's see. Well, okay, they got a tier list. Well, that's not an actual tier list. I mean, yeah, but the FBI. I don't know if I agree with that. Like, the FBI has always kind of skewed has always skewed like Republican, I would say. Okay, so if we're gonna do like, you know what? Fuck it. Let's do this for the next 10 minutes. Hold on, I gotta change the stream. No, you know what? I don't need to change the stream title. This is not gonna be very long. I'm not gonna spend much time on this. Okay, there's Vivek. Who is Kash Patel? Is Kash Patel not here? He might not be here yet. Um, I cannot look at JD Vance's picture without just like thinking like his face should be like photoshopped to be smaller. Okay, so RFK. S tier is worst right here. The country will not recover if they get in. Because yeah, I'll just do this until the break in like 12 minutes. What's a good one? Here, let's or like what's a good A tier? Shit gonna suck for next 4 years. No. That's got to be B. 4 years. Okay, that's gonna be B. Yeah, that's gonna be B. What is A gonna be? A is gonna be institutions destroyed and might not recover. All right. What about C? Could be worse, but still. But hold on. But still pretty bad. What's D? Fine. Hold on. Fine institutionally, not fine partisan wise. And then F is good. All right, so let's see. Okay, Doug Burgum, like he's going right there. Stephen Miller, cause like he was already there is the thing. I don't know. I'll put him there. I like if he actually does what he wants to do, then he would be up there. But for now, I'll put him there. I don't even know some of these people. Is this Melania? Wait, I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so Vance. Okay, oh man, Vance could theoretically be like anywhere, like from here to here because he's like buddies with the Heritage Foundation, which could like fuck everything up. Because like he could be anywhere from could be bad, could be worse, but still pretty bad to the country will not recover. I'm just gonna put him here for now. Okay, Vivek. Okay, you know what? We need another tier. We need another tier. Hold on. How do I do another tier? How do you add another tier in this? Is there no way to add another tier? No, that's not right. Cause the tier I want to make would be okay. You know what? No, we're not gonna do that. Hold on. The tier I want to make is wants to do bad shit but is way too incompetent. And that's what Vivek would be, cause like Doge is not a real thing. It doesn't matter. I don't even know some of these people. Is this Hez Geth here? How do you like search for what people are? Cause hold on. I want to copy image. No, I don't want to copy image. Like I want to copy the. Like who is this? Is this Hezgeth? Hesgeth. Okay, that is Hesgeth. Okay, I wasn't sure. All right, so Hesgeth is right up there. Public workers get back collective bargaining rights taken away by Scott. Did that happen? Also, where is my thing? Hold on. Okay, you know what? That's probably like here's the thing, Katie, with the good tier. There would only be one good candidate, one good person, and that would be the Oregon woman that I forgot the name of. Oh god, what the fuck is her name? The one that just lost in Oregon 5, because she's like an actual labor person. But yeah, okay, so yeah, really fucking bad, but too incompetent to do anything, and or will get backstabbed immediately. We'll just keep that bottom tier for now, because that'll be him. That'll be him. Who's this guy? Is this guy the Oh god, what the hell's his name? This is the home thing, because Trump like only thinks that like black people should be in charge of that. This guy looks like one of my friend's husbands. I don't remember who this is. Is this Tom Homan over here? Hold on. Tom Homan. That's him, right? Yeah, that's him. Okay, Tom Homan. So Tom Homan is gonna be right up there, because if he does what he wants to do, it's gonna be really fucking bad, with as the borders are, like, just deporting families together, including American citizens. Yeah. Like, fuck him. What does Rubio look like again? Also, who is... Oh, this is Oz! Oh, shit, I don't know where to put Oz. I don't know. I feel like this for Oz. I mean... He could also be there... God, so many. This is the woman, right? She's the one that is like very pro labor, because she would be in the magical good tier, the one person in the magical good tier. I don't know who this is. I'm just like trying to figure out who's who here, but like everyone looks the same. Yeah, I'm gonna put him in Shit's Gonna Suck for the next 4 years, and he might get upgraded to that. But for now, I'll just put him in Shit Sucks for the next 4 years. What does Rubio look like? Hold on, Rubio. That's no, I don't want you to tell my location to my stream. That's you. Okay, so he's right there. Which one is Christy Gnome? That's not her. That's her, right? Wait, what does Christy Gnome look like? Christy Gnome. Okay, that is Christy Gnome. Yeah, well, I mean, like... See, I'm always going to be biased against her because she killed a puppy. So, like in terms of what damage she'll actually do, it's probably going to be here, but in terms of how I personally feel about her, it would be here. Like, fuck her so much. Ugh. But we gotta be unbiased, so it's going to be there. Yeah, it's going to be there. Unbiased. Alright. I don't... This is the woman that's in charge of the what's it called team, isn't it? When you mouse over it, a label? What do you mean? Oh yeah, I agree. Yeah, that would be very nice if that actually told me who people were. You know what? I am gonna change the title because this is going longer than I wanted it to. Also, I should probably I gotta hit snooze on the ads. Whenever I'm done with this, I'll do the ads. Hold on, snooze on the ad. Edit stream. Trump's cabinet tier list, then Mega Man, Battle Network 2. All right, so I guess I'll put it into politics because fuck it. All right, I'm gonna snooze again because I feel like this will take like 10 more minutes. All right, and then we'll move on to Mega Man after that. Okay, I don't know these people. I'm just gonna go through list of Trump's cabinet 2.0. All right, see the okay. Let's see who it is. Susie Wiles. I'm pretty sure that this is Wiles right here. I would say she's right here, but like it's funny because this is kind of like Schrodinger's good person, because if you put her right, because the fact that she's competent enough to do stuff is also like why she could lead to shit like that or worse. But just like on a pure like level, like yeah, she'd be right there. All right, Stefanik. What does Stefanik look like? She looks like that. So she's her. Stefanik is probably going to be in one of these two right here. See, I don't know enough about like Stefanik's actual policies. I just know about specific bullshit with her like grilling like the university professors and other stuff. I'm gonna put her. Okay, I'm gonna put her here for now because I don't know enough. Pam Bondi. This is Pam Bondi, right? Or is this Pam Bondi? This might be Pam Bondi. I don't know. Hold on. Pam Bondi. What does Pam Bondi look like? So wait. Is that her or her? They all look the same. I don't know. Okay, that's her. All right. So Pam Bondi is going to be in that, I think. Wait, hold on. What did you say, Josh? How many of the people are like Oz and Elon who aren't people in politics? I think a lot of them are. Not all of them, but a good chunk. Where's Tulsi? Is this Tulsi or is one of these Tulsi? Cause well, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put cause like Pam, cause like Gates. If this was still Gates, Gates would be here. Gates would either be here or here, because I really don't know if Gates would actually accomplish anything. But Pam Bondi is still really fucking bad. Okay, so wait, so who else are we looking at right now? Doug Collins. Wait, what does Michael Waltz look like? So wait, so which one is he? I'm trying to. Is that him? I just like don't understand faces, I guess. Wait, Mike Waltz is supporting Kash Patel? Fuck, I don't know. Oh wait, here he is. Okay, wait. Wait, which one was that? I guess this is Waltz right here. I mean, I was gonna put him in this, but like after after seeing him support Kash Patel, I might just put him here. I don't know. Cause like the good thing is he's pretty good on Ukraine is the thing. And that's like, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep him there for now. Yeah, I mean, look, to be totally fair, with a Democrat Congress, like a Democrat cabinet, I'd probably feel the exact same way because a lot of people just like fucking look the same. You think Elon's much higher? What, on the really fucking bad but too incompetent to do anything? And or will get backstabbed immediately. I fully believe that Elon is gonna be like, he's gonna be out very quickly because Trump is gonna get very annoyed at him. Like, I don't know, maybe I have like a mild form of prosopagnosia where I just like can't like tell the difference between faces. Like I'm basically just like looking at hair at this point. Or if someone has a very distinctive face like Elon, then it's easier. Or JD Vance. I mean, his face has to be photoshopped to be smaller than this, though. His face is way too big here. All right. Doug Burgum, we already looked at him. Who the fuck is Sean Duffy? That's the real world guy. Okay, that's wait, is that who I just put in? That's not Sean Duffy, is it? Wait a minute. This guy? It's this guy, right? I think that's him. Yeah, Oz is pretty noticeable. Sean Duffy, I don't fucking know. Cause he's not a politician. Like he could be like I might think he might just get like in over his head like immediately. I don't know these people. What does Kash Patel look like? Hold on. Kash Patel. He just looks like a psycho. I don't think this is him. Like any of these people are him. I don't think he's been added to it. So I don't know. But if Kash Patel was on here, he would be either right at the top or right behind RFK. Like, I don't know. Okay, wait. What does Tulsi look like? Oh, Linda McMahon. What does she look like? Wait, is this Linda McMahon? Oh, fuck. I thought that was Susan Wiles. Shit. I don't know then. Or is this Linda McMahon? Who is Linda McMahon? What does Linda McMahon look like? Is this her? I'm just gonna assume this is Linda McMahon right here. How the Hunter pardon cements Biden's legacy. Who fucking cares? Who cares? Oh god, Linda, no, she is absolutely not there. She is either gonna be there or she's gonna be here, I think. Or here. I'd say either there or here. I'm just gonna put her here for now. Because I don't know. Hold on, how much time is left until an ad? I might have to increase the time to another 5 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, I'm doing one more snooze. And all right. So ad's going to be in 8 minutes. I don't know who that is. All right, well let's see who else we got. We did Waltz, we did all these people. Yeah, Lori Chavez de Ramir. She is the only one that I would say is good. So I'm gonna put her on in the very back because that's her, right? Yeah, that's her. Okay, I'm putting her in the very back because she's not going in any of these because she is actually good, I would say. Like obviously she's not perfect, but she's like as good as it'll get in a an administration like this. All right, who else we got? Um, what does Doug Collins look like? What does Doug Collins look like? Okay, so this guy is this Doug Collins? Yeah, this is Doug Collins. I don't fucking know. I know nothing about this guy. Like, I genuinely don't know anything about him. Which makes me think he's probably... He's like anywhere from here to here. I'll just keep him in there for now, because I don't know anything about him. Here, let's take a look at some of Doug Collins'... we don't really have enough time. Like 6 minutes. Tension with Scheinbaum. I think if she's gonna institute, like, put tariffs on America, go for it. On the, like, that said, it sounds like Mexico is kind of in for a bad time right now with like what they're trying to do. Here, let's see what military.com says about Doug Collins. Georgia Republican, in his announcement Thursday, trying to campaign heavily for it, would be a great advocate for active duty service. Colonel in the Air Force Reserve. To streamline and cut regulations in VA. Ugh. Okay, that's not good. Disability compensation pensions, and roughly 9 million veterans are enrolled. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move him up to that. Anywhere between these two. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so that's pretty bad. Okay, Stefanik. Russ Vought. What? I don't know. I don't really know anything about Russ Vought. Also, what does Rubio look like? Wait, did I already put in Rubio, didn't I? That's Rubio. Okay, yeah, that's Rubio. Who is Russ Vought? Wait, where did I put him? Okay, I put him there for now. Yeah, I'll keep him there for now. Russ Vought. Okay, that guy. I don't know what Russ Vought does. What does he do? Incoming White House, budget director. OMB's for releasing the president's budget request every year, but also manages executive branch by overseeing departments. Acting director and then director. Oh no! Oh, okay, that's not Heritage Foundation. I was gonna say. Never mind. He is part of Project 2025. Okay, if he's part of Project 2025, then I'm gonna go ahead and put him pretty fucking high up. Yeah, we'll just keep him there for now. Todd Blanche. Okay, you know what? How much time do I have before an ad starts? Let's see. Okay, I have 3.5 minutes. So if we what does Tulsi look like? That's what I want to know. Oh yeah, Lee Zeldin. I totally forgot about him. Okay, yeah. So Tulsi is you? No, you're Tulsi. I can't tell which of these women is Tulsi. Fuck. I want to say her. What does Tulsi Gabbard look like? I feel like that's her, but it might be her. Here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to... Is there no way to do this on Firefox? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy and paste this on Chrome. because I don't want to. And then I'm gonna do a reverse Google search. So hold on. So let me do that real quick. Okay. So who is this? So search with Google Lens. Select any this fucking thing. No, this part. This part of the Google Lens. I need to know who this woman is. I need to know which of these ghouls is Tulsi Gabbard. Okay. Who is Tulsi? Okay, that is Tulsi. All right. So we're closing that. That is Tulsi. So yes, so this is Tulsi. She is up there. I don't know, like it is like these three right here are like all almost equally terrible. I might give RFK the edge just because like he has the potential to just straight up bring back like long extinct diseases and like fuck up the entire like global population. I think these two are top two right now. Like RFK and Tulsi are really bad. Like she like the damage she can do by just like being a Russian plant. I don't know, like it's really bad. Hegseth might still be worse than her, but I don't know. She's up there. Is that Mark Zuckerberg? And I don't really know any of these other people, but I'm sure they're pretty bad. So yeah. So I think that's here. Let's how much longer until an ad? Okay, cause let's see. Okay, there's gonna be an ad in 15 seconds. Okay, so that's our tier list for now. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, some bad shit coming. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this up here, and then I'm gonna go downstairs, gonna take my 2-minute break, gonna get some Ritz crackers, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna play some Mega Man. And hopefully I don't get put on a watch list for this stream, but we'll see. All right, BRB. I mean, do we still have leftovers, or you want to put some like turkey on a pizza?